Look at this 2010 Ford F-150. This F-150 has just under 10,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4.6L 3WD engine, medium stone, premium cloth 40/20/40 split bench front seat and the tuxedo black. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.